For Testbed 18, Ethar created a building energy monitor application driven by OGC-compliant data sources, which displays building energy data using 3D and extended reality (XR) techniques. In 2022, Natural Resources Canada desired a way to quickly identify buildings with abnormally high energy usage in order to target these for mitigation efforts. Our work for OGC Testbed 18 focused on making this possible. The goal is to pull in live energy utilization data for buildings in the Montreal area and map those to 3D buildings placed on top of street maps using OGC data standards. To meet this goal, Ethar created an application that pulls energy data from other participants in Testbed 18 and allows you to select from 5 different utilization metrics. The buildings are then color-coded based on the metric you chose. Clicking on a building shows its address, utilization values, year constructed, and a chart of its monthly heating needs. The real power of this application is the ability to filter buildings based on any of the 5 parameters. For instance, let's look at monthly heating cost and filter that for buildings built before 1900. We can quickly identify buildings with high heating costs, which most likely need to be upgraded with modern insulation. To make it easier to understand which buildings need mitigation, we created a version of the app that shows the city as a tabletop augmented reality display. Using your phone, you can, quote, walk around inside of the data and view the buildings in an intuitive way. OGC's open standards for 3D buildings, terrain tile sets, street maps, and secondary data streams makes this application possible in a cross-platform way. Ethar's contribution to the OGC Testbed 18 was an exploration of what current 3D and augmented reality tools could be used to consume OGC-compliant data streams. We have identified several strengths and weaknesses of existing rendering tools and identified technologies that are needed for the future. This testbed has shown that OGC open standards can be used in support of Natural Resources Canada's energy efficiency and environmental goals.